In today's video, I am going to teach you how to enable or disable pop-ups in the Google Chrome web browser vertical bar PC tutorial. To begin, open Google Chrome on your computer. Once the browser is open, look to the top right corner of the window and click the three vertical dots. From that drop-down menu, click Settings. On the left-hand side, you will see a navigation menu with different categories for browser options and privacy controls. In that left side menu, click Privacy and Security. After that, move to the center of the page and find Site Settings. You may need to scroll a little to see it. Click Site Settings to open the page. Now scroll down until you reach the Content section. In this area, look for the option called Pop-ups and Redirects. Then click on it. You will now see the default behavior options. If you want to enable pop-ups, select Sites can send pop-ups and use redirects. If you want to disable pop-ups, select Do not allow sites to send pop-ups or use redirects. Once you choose the option you want, Chrome saves the change automatically, so there is no need to click a Save button. You can simply close the Settings tab or continue browsing as normal. That covers everything you need to know.